Recorded a meeting in GoToMeeting and now have an SRN file you can't play in standard video players? This is a proprietary recording format from GoToMeeting. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to play and convert these GoToMeeting screen recording files. If the standard fixes fail, I have a plan B, a proprietary technique that almost always works on stubborn SRN files. A user with an SRN file has a screen recording created by the GoToMeeting online conferencing software. Their intent is to play back a recorded meeting, webinar, or presentation for review, sharing, or archival purposes. Often, they need to convert it to a more standard format like MP4 for wider compatibility. The SRN format is a proprietary binary container developed by GoTo, formerly Citrix, to efficiently store screen capture video and audio data. It was designed to be compact and optimized for the specific content of screen recordings, e.g., static backgrounds, prioritizing low file size for network storage and transfer. The SRN file originated with and is formally handled by GoToMeeting developed by GoTo. The embedded data needs a specialized parser to be read correctly. Windows recognizes many formats, yet any serious editing must occur in specialized software. We'll conduct a full check of installed file readers now. Right-click your SRN file and select Open With. Test GoToMeeting if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates uncertainty. If your SRN file still refuses to open, stay calm. The file is failing for a technical reason, not a silly one. Before we apply the universal solution, let's review the most likely root causes of the error. First, playing in GoToMeeting codec. Download and install the GoToMeeting codec from the GoToMeeting support site. This codec enables Windows Media Player and other DirectShow compatible players to play SRN files. Once installed, double-click the SRN file to launch playback with screen content audio and synchronize chat overlays as recorded. Next, converting to MP4. Use the GoToMeeting application's built-in conversion feature to transform SRN files into standard MP4 video format. Open GoToMeeting, select Manage Recordings, then choose the recording and use Convert to MP4. The resulting MP4 file plays in any modern video player and shares easily through email, cloud storage, or video platforms. Finally, re-recording with screen capture. If conversion tools are unavailable, play the SRN file in GoToMeeting and use a screen recording tool like OBS Studio or Camtasia to capture the playback into a standard video format. Configure the recording to capture both screen content and system audio for a complete reproduction of the original meeting recording. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.